my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. So this week's theme was Spring Butterflies, hosted by Maynails Designs. I'm so happy spring is coming, and so I busted out my spring pastel colors. So I'm using Stuck on Blue as my base coat and my model's own Peach Melba polish. So I'm using plate BPL 067 and my celebration plate for the Hello Spring wording. I love the celebration plate because it has tons of different images for all year round. And I love this stamping plate because it has a ton of floral images that you can fill in with whatever colors you want. So I'm using the dotting tool method, but you can also use a very fine brush. And then when I have all of my images filled out, I'm going to be topping them with clear top coat. So here I'm going with a bronze gold combination and then a pink and purple combination. And this pink polish is actually a thermal polish, and I wanted to play with this combination because then when my nails are cold, they're a different color, and when my nails are warm, they're a different color. So I found that was awesome. I have pros and cons with this plate. One of the pros, like I said, is that you can customize the images to your liking. You can fill them in or not. It's your choice. But what I disliked about this plate is that it was very hard to pick up images, and I don't know if other people have the same problem. So I found that my big bling stamper and this pink chrome stamper work because I think they have similar stamper heads, and my sticky stampers work fine also, but other stampers just won't pick up. I don't know if it's the stamping polish or the stamper head. And so that's one thing you need to keep in mind when you're buying this stamping plate. You need a sticky stamper for it to work. I'm going to stop talking now, and I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the coloring and come back towards the end. This was actually my favorite image and color combination. And off camera, I topped all of the images off with clear top coat so that I can either stick them on here like this or peel them off, for example, for the butterflies. I don't have a preference. I just wanted to try both methods so I can show you how it works, and you can just choose what works best for you. I mean, you can also use the stamping mat that I have in the background to create these images. I just felt that it would save more time doing them directly on the stamper heads. This took me about 3 hours to do. I'm not kidding. Between the images not picking up, figuring out which colors went with the designs and which colors would show on the polish and which stamping polishes would actually pick up and which stampers to use, it took me forever, and I was really frustrated towards the end and so happy when this was done and glad that it came out really well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment down below and please like the video, and don't forget to check out all of the other ladies' manis because they're awesome. As usual, they're very talented ladies, and if you subscribe, please give me a shout out. It'll be cool to see who, came from my channel. So till next time, stay beautifully polished. Bye.